Hi, I'd like to share with you a problem I had and how I solved it with a Frigidaire dehumidifier, one of the later models. It was that the water was overflowing and never getting to the bucket, which indicated that the water collecting tray was full of gunk and needed to be cleaned out. Before, I simply removed the front panel and cleaned out the water tray. Not so with this one. And I'd like to show you what I did in order to remove the front panel. I've removed some of the screws ahead of time so to save time and not bore you with how to take screws out. So the first thing you need to do is turn the dehumidifier around and remove the back panel. Make sure you take the cap off the hose collector. It slides under there and it slides out. Now you need to remove the side panels. It looks easy, but it ain't quite as easy as it looks. Here is the crux of the problem. Screws come out, it slides off, but it is held to the front panel by some tabs. And I couldn't, as you can see, it's all dinged up. I tried prying it out. I called online, all to no avail. But I finally did come to realize that you need to, that there are three tabs in here that are held in, well, I'll show you. You have to tonk down, that comes out, and you can see that these three tabs are also slotted. Once that's off, do the other side the same way. That comes out, and now it's pretty straightforward. There are 4 screws in the front. It's nice to remove this wiring bus. And it simply lifts off. You can now get to the water tray. It's still not very easy, but you can get to it. And if you want to really be thorough, you can remove a lot more screws and lift the coils off of there and clean it up. To put it back together, you just reverse the process, of course. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.